Hi, I'm Phoenix. Today we're going to be making goji berry and white chocolate chip flapjacks. Before you start, wash your hands and turn your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. If you want this to be a gluten-free recipe, include gluten-free oats. You'll need an 8 by 20 centimeter baking pan, a large mixing bowl, greaseproof paper, a mixing spoon, pastry brush, 1 1/4 cups of oats, 2 tablespoons of golden syrup. You can use honey, date syrup, or anything that's sticky like that. 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 1/3 cup of raw coconut sugar or brown sugar. I'm using 1/3 cup of goji berries and 1/3 cup of white chocolate chips. You can use anything like chocolate chips, berries, M&Ms, fruits, dates, and because this is wet, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of oats. If anything that you put in is wet, remember to add it. Soak up the extra moisture. This is a yummy recipe, it's easy, and it doesn't take long. And also, you can easily adjust it to anyone's taste by changing the ingredients. All we need to do is mix the ingredients. Make sure to get it in from all the sides, just like this. Then mix it all together. And then just do that over and over again. And well, that's all done. Don't expect it to look like a batter. Just make sure that it's all coated so that when it's in the oven, the butter and the sugar will melt to form the flapjack. I pre-prepared my pan. If you want to know how, go to my zucchini slice video to know how it's done. These tabs are very important to help you get the flapjack out easily when it's done. Now I'm just going to pour the batter in. And make sure it's spread evenly and made firm. I want to use a spatula to make sure that it's really pushed in, and then we're going to put it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. This has been out of the oven for a long time now. Make sure to only take it out when it's very cool, and take it out by the tabs just like this. Now let's have a taste. That's delicious. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'd also appreciate it if you could share it with friends and family.